is up, guys? And hello, my name is Haas. I'm an online women's fitness coach where I empower busy professional women to lose body fat without wasting time and missing out on their favorite food. So I, as a coach, was, hesitant because even though I am always looking to better myself and activate your health challenge, hello, I am an online coach. I don't need that. But Jenna Hillier was an amazing spirit and this amazing light that just all of a sudden came into my life. We connected on social media, and she told me about this 3-day Activate Your Health challenge that she runs. And I knew that she was a life coach, so I was a little bit more open to it because obviously I didn't want to get into another fitness program or anything like that. I was already so busy with my clients. But guys, let me tell you, I was seriously misunderstood. After entering the challenge and putting away my ego, I was woken up to so many powerful statements and negative self-talk that I was saying to myself without even thinking about it. And all of these fears that I was carrying around that were causing me to not live my most authentic self and start activating my life. And basically, after journaling a lot those past 3 days and really engaging on these super knowledge dropping, value bomb calls that she would host, I was just blown away. I was so impressed by the fact that Jenna basically took the time to build out this 3-day challenge of what felt like an entire week. And guys, I felt so different as a person and as a coach, where now I'm able to show up even more powerfully for my clients, in my relationships, and just as a person. Jenna has such a big heart, and I could relate to her having left my corporate job to pursue something I was passionate about. So her and I just connected on all different levels. But guys, whether you are an entrepreneur or you're in your corporate job, literally, if you are thinking that you just aren't living your most authentic self, that's some of these walls that have been built over years of negative self-talk and insecurities built up are just rising every time you go to deliver, mention your pricing, enroll a client, show up to a meeting, show up to your job, present yourself in front of other people. It's time to break those walls down, and like Jenna likes to say, get that little bitch out of your head. So guys, I would highly recommend the 3-day Activate Your Health challenge. I am seriously considering her mentorship as well, and really thinking about enrolling and working full-time with her after this challenge. I am literally just feel like a new person inside and out. And guys, those 3 days felt like a lifetime, and I can't wait to see what the future holds with Jenna and for me as a coach. So go activate your health. It's time to make this shit happen, girl.